Hello there. I'm going to show you how to make rose water today. You're going to need some rose petals, and you just take the petals off of the buds when they're wilting or dying. Put them in the bowl. These are red and pinks. Here's the pinks, here's the reds. And it's important to know you don't want pesticides on the rose petals. Why? Because you don't want to end up wearing pesticides with the rose water. You can cook with rose water. A lot of people do with baking goods, believe it or not. These are roses that grew out front, and as you see, they've had a better day. Rosebud petals have a high amount of vitamin C. So just pick a bunch, and you're going to get a pot of boiling water. I use filtered water. And then you're going to put handfuls of the petals into the water. How much? Well, we'll have to see. That's not enough. Look at the big handfuls. And it's a shame to waste them. Some people drink rose tea. If you look on Amazon or Mountain Herbs or any other sites for rose tea, it's high in vitamin C. How long do you cook the petals? Until all the color is out. I'm going to put in a third handful. So this is a half a pot of water. And I brought it to a boil first. And I used filtered water. You can use distilled water or filtered water because you want it to be as pure as possible. And you just keep stirring. Now what I like to do with the rose water, I have essential rose oil. You can add a few drops to that and you can have a wonderful rose perfume or room spray. This is going to be rose water for your skin. It's an excellent toner. Also makes the house smell nice if you just want to spray it around. So I'm going to let this simmer for a few minutes, like 15. I have an induction stove, so whatever brings it down to a simmer. So first bring it to a boil, add your flowers, and when all the color is out, then you know it's ready to be filtered through a screen, a mesh screen, and put into a jar, and then let it cool, and then put into little spray bottles or little bottles that you like.